All right. We've reached the end of Route 1.
I think it's the beginning.
Well, each end says it's the beginning.
Oh.
This is the northernmost end anyway. Fort Kent to Key West. We're also big Key West fans. We've been there a bunch of times. And we love both places quite a bit.
There's nobody standing in line to take their picture here like there is in Key West.
Yeah. Very few people standing in line here to take their picture. Down in Key West at the southernmost point, you'll obviously see lots of people down there because it's quite awesome. So, Jeanne and Andy on the road, first part of our Maine to Montauk trip. And now we're at the northernmost end of Key, have Route 1 in Fort Kent, and loving it. Great weather, it's about 82, sunny. It's very warm for northern Maine, but we love it. And of course, it's quite beautiful here as well too. So we'll keep you up to date on everything we're doing. We're having a blast. Bye.
Bye.